Welcome to BBC English online channel. You can find English speaking and conversation exercises for beginners level 1. You keep practicing and share your precious words by liking and commenting. Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I am fine.
How are you?
I am fine.
What's your name?
My name is John.
What's your name?
My name is John.
Where are you from?
I am from Spain.
Where are you from?
I am from Spain.
What's your job?
I am a teacher.
What's your job?
I am a teacher.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
What's your favorite color?
Blue is my favorite.
What's your favorite color?
Blue is my favorite.
Do you like music?
Yes, very much.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I do.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I do.
What do you read?
I read books.
What do you read?
I read books.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
What's your hobby?
I like painting.
What's your hobby?
I like painting.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I do.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I do.
Where do you live?
I live in Paris.
Where do you live?
I live in Paris.
Is it raining today?
No, it's sunny.
Is it raining today?
No, it's sunny.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I do.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I do.
What's your age?
I am 20.
What's your age?
I am 20.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Are you tired?
No, I'm not.
Are you tired?
No, I'm not.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza is my favorite.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza is my favorite.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, one brother.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, one brother.
Do you like school?
Yes, I do.
Do you like school?
Yes, I do.
Do you ride a bike?
Yes, I do.
Do you ride a bike?
Yes, I do.
What's your phone number?
It's 1234567.
Do you like dogs?
Yes, I do.
Do you like dogs?
Yes, I do.
Are you married?
No, I'm not.
Are you married?
No, I'm not.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can.
What's your favorite book?
I like Harry Potter.
What's your favorite book?
I like Harry Potter.
Do you like cats?
Yes, I do.
Do you like cats?
Yes, I do.
Can you sing?
Yes, a little.
Can you sing?
Yes, a little.
Do you read newspapers?
No, I don't.
Do you read newspapers?
No, I don't.
Do you play guitar?
Yes, I do.
Do you play guitar?
Yes, I do.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, a little.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, a little.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, very much.
What's your email address?
It's john@example.com.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I do.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I do.
Do you like reading?
Yes, very much.
Do you like reading?
Yes, very much.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I do.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I do.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I do.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite drink?
I like coffee.
What's your favorite drink?
I like coffee.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I do.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I do.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
What's your favorite season?
I like summer.
What's your favorite season?
I like summer.
Can I get your phone number?
Sorry, I can't give out my phone number.
Can I get your phone number?
Sorry, I can't give out my phone number.
Can you help me?
Sure, what do you need help with?
Can you help me?
Sure, what do you need help with?
What's your father's name?
My father's name is John.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is John.
Are you worried?
Yes, I am a little worried about the exam.
Are you worried?
Yes, I am a little worried about the exam.